So now, having said that, so you can see here, this is how the entire heat map section is designed. Now, along with the heat map, right, at this particular juncture, suppose you are trading and you want to find out what are the suitable levels. So as we have discussed as part of the escape strategy, the target zones are H5 and H6. So all you have to do is go here to the levels section, all right, and in the level section you will have all the elements. You can see here that if prices have crossed H4, there will be a underline like this. You can see here a green underline which says that it has crossed H4. In case it has crossed L4, it will be on a suitable level. So wherever, whichever levels are getting crossed, a green dash appears. And you can see here, this is the daily camera levels. These are the daily camera levels, and every day, at the end of the day, you will get the Camarilla levels for the next day. At the end of the week, you will get it for the next week. At the end of the month, you'll get it for the next month. So if you go here and if you just select all, so you will get all the levels. And out here, for example, if I happen to write here any stock of my choice, okay, I write the full name, the symbol, I will get here the entire H4, H5, H6 or L4, L5, L6. You get the entire level out here. So we do all the calculations for you. You don't have to worry, and all the levels are calculated and made available across daily, across weekly, across monthly. You can come here and just check the levels. Now, if you may so desire, right, from here you can directly go and open up the chart as well. So just click on this and click on this trading view charts, and you will be able to directly open the chart. Now from here, if you want to add a set of stocks, for example, I've just mentioned here ICICI. Here I can have, say, maybe if I have the Nifty 50 here, and I remove say ICICI Bank from here, okay, and then I make it here daily. This is just an example which I'm showing, and I want to add these set of stocks, okay, to my watch list. I can add these set of stocks to my watch list as well. So you can do everything from this page, and what I showed you is a feature which is common across all the analysis pages of NeoTrader. You can create your own watch list, pull up that watch list into that particular tool, and then enjoy the benefit of our research. So we have done all the research for you. All you have to do is go out there and trade systematically and make money for yourself. That's the entire objective. So this entire page is focusing on the levels and using those levels to take the trade. And this particular section, which is the heat map section, is focused on giving you a picture. Like we always say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. From here, you can get a very good idea of which stock is moving, how is it placed, how is it across time frame, what is the score, everything you can get a very good understanding of. Now, if you want to go deeper into that stock, you can always click on this side pointer and go into stock analyzer, right? There is a separate video which we have done on how to use stock analyzer. So you can go and check out that stock analyzer page and get more idea of validating this stock. You can go here and also click on add to watch list. So if you add it to watch list, it will ask you which watch list you want to add it to. So based on that, suppose you just select this particular watch list, that symbol will get added. All right. So that's how you can quickly participate in the market and efficiently participate. We don't want you to participate just quickly, no. Just buying and selling is also quick. But then we want you to be more efficient, and that is why we are showing you a sequence of ways in which you can participate. All right. So this is what I wanted to share with you about the Camarilla page, a very beautiful page, a very exhaustive page in NeoTrader. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use the watch list which you have created and take some trades with Camarilla.